Being patient with a toddler is no easy task. It requires a level of understanding and empathy that can sometimes feel impossible to maintain. Toddlers are curious, energetic, and often unpredictable. They have a limited ability to communicate their needs and emotions, which can lead to frustration and tantrums. As a parent or caregiver, it is important to remember that toddlers are still learning and developing, and that their behavior is not always a reflection of their true selves. Patience is key when dealing with a toddler. It is important to remain calm and composed, even in the face of challenging behavior. This can be easier said than done, especially when a toddler is throwing a tantrum or refusing to cooperate. It is important to remember that toddlers are still learning how to regulate their emotions and behavior, and that they may not always understand the consequences of their actions. One of the most important things to remember when dealing with a toddler is to set clear and consistent boundaries. Toddlers thrive on routine and structure, and they feel more secure when they know what to expect. By setting clear boundaries and sticking to them, you can help your toddler feel safe and secure, and reduce the likelihood of challenging behavior. It is also important to remember that toddlers have a limited attention span and may not always be able to focus on one task for an extended period of time. It is important to be patient and understanding when working with a toddler, and to give them plenty of opportunities to explore and play in a safe and supervised environment. When a toddler is acting out or misbehaving, it is important to respond calmly and consistently. It is important to avoid yelling or using harsh discipline, as this can escalate the situation and make it more difficult to resolve. Instead, try to redirect your toddler's attention to a more appropriate activity, or offer them a choice to help them regain control. It is also important to remember that toddlers are still learning how to communicate their needs and emotions. It is important to be patient and understanding when a toddler is struggling to express themselves, and to offer them support and guidance as they learn. By being patient and empathetic, you can help your toddler develop the skills they need to communicate effectively and navigate the world around them. Above all, it is important to remember that toddlers are still learning and growing, and that they need love, support, and understanding as they navigate the challenges of early childhood. By being patient and empathetic, you can help your toddler thrive and develop into a happy, healthy, and well-adjusted individual.